सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we will watch some GK quiz and their answers in this video. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. These all questions in English. So these will support you in your study. The HCF of two numbers is 23 and the other two factors of their LCM are 13 and 14. The larger of the two numbers is 322. This is the right answer. Next question. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? 16 times. Okay, next question. Let n be the greatest number that will divide 1305, 4665 and 6905, leaving the same remainder in each case, then the sum of the digit in n is, the right answer is 4. The greatest number of 4 digits which is divided by 15, 25, 40 and 75 are. This question answer is 9600. The product of two numbers is 4107. If the HCF of these numbers is 37, then the greater number is 111. Three numbers are in the ratio 3, 4, 5 and their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is 40. The GCD of 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9 is 80. The product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. The number of such pairs is 2. The correct answer is 2. The least multiple of 7 which leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by 6, 9, 15 and 18 is, the right answer is 364. Who is known as the Prince of Indian Mathematics? This question answer is Srinivasa Ramanujan. So today I am completing my short lecture in here. Namaskar.